And then my view is maybe you can have a date sentencing.
Possibly you can have the victim
Impact.
pursuant to
Prosecution of already records.
provisions of
Chile, Chile 40
Section 12 of the victim.
Let me also take the chance to thank you, councils.
Victim and
The impact.
is what has been described as the means to the victim and probably to all the representatives to court here.
Is it land? Is it witchcraft? Is it discipline? I am not satisfied that there is a good enough justification for such determination. The Kisakini is a child. His eyes got out to the most scandalous and vicious of crimes. This was not done by a stranger, but by members of his family, who were supposed to offer him love, care, and protection. His cousin held a life which caused him severe trauma and handed him a life in permanent darkness. This was done behind his aunt's house, a few meters away from his grandmother's house. Aided. The victim was of tender years. The victim was rendered blind in the course of commission of the offense. This was an offense that was committed within a family setting and in a family homestead. The prosecution's key identifying witness had her own fair of challenges, her own fair share of challenges, which I have already identified above. There is nothing ordinary in waiting out a living human being's acts, let alone a child's acts. We cannot stop every act of senseless violence. We cannot know every evil that knocks and violence. But if we can prevent even one tragedy like this, save even one life, spare other families what these families are going through, we have an obligation to try. Upon considering the evidence tendered by the prosecution, as well as that offered by the defense, I am satisfied that the prosecution has proved beyond reasonable doubt the charges against the first, the second, and the third accused persons. And therefore, the charge of the previous one, contrary to section 234 of the Penal Code, I hereby convict the first accused person, Alex Maina. I convict the second accused person, Pacifica Makaranga. I convict the third accused person, Sentencing hearing on 21st of July this year at 10 a.m. The victim, together with the victim's caregiver, may attend proceedings if they so